eh.
Bird, kung saan siya prana, diri?
Sa Bible.
Pabili na.
Gimimi ka gimimi. Ay, last minute na kayo ko naka-remember.
One? More short.
Hey, nice surgeon, sir. Perfect surgeon.
One July mo booking mo. I'm getting for
Constant create.
first time sa aking pinabuhay nakahadlok, nakahadlok ako na feel. I really can't explain, but I think I'm just happy and blessed, so blessed na naitabo na ko ni karong adlaw. The Lord gave me this day, a wonderful day sa akong kinabuhi.
Okay. Sir, kanina moment, sir, no? Mo ba nang pray, sir? Like, partner ni mo, siya yung partner. Like, di mo ba gina siyang pangayo sa gina? Or eventually, nagkapan ko ano lang?
Actually, siya mo nangayon ako. Actually, ikaw. From 16 years, from 2006, from the moment nag-save ko niya, actually nakag-bisyo sa una. From the moment she saved me, katojod, kay balon ako na siya na good. And then I pray na ko taga-adlaw. Happy ko. Actually, nag-pray ko taga-adlaw, na-i-guide ko sa Lord sa akong mga decisions. And then, appeal atong decision is to marry her.
Okay, sir, backtrack lang taga-may, sir. Pila naging mo kay years, sir?
Within 16 years na.
Yes! Kung ma-recall pa nato, sir, first day siguro, no? First day sa yung mga courtship or kanabang hitabo, sir, ano, siya yun, no? Sa kadagadagang babae, siya yun yung mga pursue yun. Like, more on story niya, sir, love story, in a brief one lang. Para at least mga kwan kayo, importante kayo. Kasi,
It's never been perfect. Nga, actually, sugod mi sa mga relationship way back 2005-6. Second year high school me. And napato ang mga puppy love. And then we start dating. And then I think it was 5 years or 6 years. We started to ila-ila na sa among parents. Actually siya lisod pa kay nay problem sa family to sa una, and then sa ako ginahinay na ako pila-ila siya sa akong parents.
ano na sir, unforgettable moment, no? Murag mo yung masunod sa imong nauna o bride po. Murag parehong duwa, dili mo kalimutan ito nga moment. Share the sir, usa lang ka happening, like unforgettable ka ninyo, like usually magsulti sila, first kiss, nga, itong proposal ba, or any nga bloopers silang relation nga, or turning point po nga, anong
Alright, so unforgettable moment is katong God gave us Kian, our son, na that was the first time na nakaingon ko na muna akong kinabuhi. They saved me kung bugay mga ko sa una, and then from the moment na Kian came to this world, kabawad ko na I have to change, I have to be responsible. And then naroon na sa nako na I am gonna be a father. I'm gonna build my own family. I think that this was mo akong pinaka di malimtan. The first itong gamay na buta nga kita ako sa builder sa hospital, which is my son. Yeah. Once again, thank you. Salamat sa tanan. Hindi na ako makalimtan ng adlaw na gisave ko nimo. Oh, I am today, I am what? Unsa ko karon tungod nimo. 16 years. After 16 years, libo na ako. After years of asking, I finally say yes. Ay, joke lang. Naragita diri. Abot na gyud ta sa atong gipangandoy. Nakuha na nato itong mga goals. And then, na last man na nato ang kasal, no? But, we still make it. Nabuhat ako nato. Thank you, ga. Pagsabot. Thank you sa mga pag-antos na ko. And thank you po sa being a mom. Being the special mom sa Likikian. Kung ako lang yung sorry. I love you, God. I love you. Dear Lord, thank you for giving me this wonderful day with a beautiful bride. July, I vow to support you all the way, to be on your side through the highest of highs and the lowest of lows. I promise to love you unconditionally, and I promise to take care of Kian and you in first priority. And I promise that it will never be changed. Kabaw ko, na 16 years na ta. But just like they say, 16 is just a number. My love for you will never fade away. I am yours and you are mine. I promise that I'll be here forever and you can always count on me.
One more time, sir. Say I love you, sir. Nagkakalap ni Ellen.
Kumayara, punto ko gabi po lagi ko. I love you, God.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hindi ka mo na-clap kayo. Ano din from coordinate. Di ba kay sila may pinakalang.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clap!
It's pretty, bitch.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clap!
Oh my God, but you been?
Oh, sige lang.
Okay, you're
Okay.
fine.
Ano yung kilin na lang? A little pot up, where have you been?
Ilang mga gagmay na lang.
Sino na si Bashar?
Ano yung sa'yo sa'yo? Hit the train. Oo,
Uy, apel ko! Wait. Go! One, two, three, go!
You. Go. Kung asa dili siya kuan.
Luwag.
Luag.
Tanawa yung gibuhat.
3, 2, 1, no?
Pari, pari.
Actually, one more time.
At duling is camera mamaya dili sa kuan. BTS na ko.
Si Neil, magkuha ka rin sa city pa.
Wait, the whole
Banana. Gang.
signature.
Banana.
No smile, no smile. Across the video. Smile. Switching yung men smile.
It was a long road, so I just can't believe na happened siya. Finally.
Ma'am Billy ha, kaya message me dito. Dagan siya ng istorya. Kaya mo more on confirmation siya. Ino ba ni Kro ma'am, tungod ko na niyo, nagbago ko siya. Okay. Pariha kong sila ni Palin sa unang bugoy. Palin ma'am, shooter din. Sige ma'am, istoryahin daw ko ma'am. Brief, kung lang, storytelling. Hindi nag-start na nung nagkakamo. Ayun. Nang siya mo dito. Yeah. Mansa ka happy na siya mo dito.
I think I already mentioned this in the prenup, but we've met each other when we were in high school. And since then, kami na jud. And then, niabot mi sa time wherein shaky, of course, knowing that it started as a puppy love. So, immature kayo mi. And then, it took him a while to finally mature and give up like barkada, laglaag, and prioritize us family. So, yeah, but I'm so grateful, like, it ended where it has to end. Nakamigyapon along the road. Because I thought, like, in those tough roads, I thought na wala jud dili para kami kay because there are times na I feel like giving up, but then I stick to the core na love na mo anak and ganan mi matagaan siya complete family and
Ano sa mong ganaw?
Watch our producers. Okay, girls, gansa sa kayo, gansa. Dili, okay, gansa ha, dili lakaw.
Sayaw, okay, go. Lakaw mong bride. Cover.
I've been waiting for you. Isn't that enough? I never wait for someone else, but you make me love. I've been thinking of you. Isn't that enough? I try to tell myself to stop, guess it's not enough. I'm gonna let you look in my eyes as close as you want. I wanna feel you touching my lips, don't care if I'm wrong. I've been waiting for you, for you. I've been waiting for you, for you. Don't care if that's right, I want you tonight, tonight. Don't care if that's right, I want you tonight, tonight. I need you tonight, oh, I need you tonight, oh, I need you tonight, oh, I need you tonight. I need you tonight, oh, I need you tonight, oh, I need you tonight,
Sige lang, bro. Wait lang, go lang. Wait lang, chika-chika. Nice. Nice tayo. Nice. Hug guys, hug, hug, hug.